Hi Milton drivers, Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance here at Milton Truck Lines. This is an ongoing video on our CSA scores. I just want to give you a little update. We started talking about this roughly mid-February about, reporting problems with trailers and trucks and sending in MAC 19s for trailers that are parked at pools that might have problems and things, because everybody knows our CSA score was going the wrong direction. And if it gets to a certain point, then we get mandatory intervention levels, which means when you guys go by scale houses and DOTs, it's mandatory they start doing DOT inspections. Well, just to give you an update, whatever you guys are doing is starting to work, because we had an exceptional March for the number of violations that were recorded by the DOT. On average, the previous months, probably 6 months before that, we were averaging anywhere between 50 to 60 violations per month, which was bad because that produces our score going the wrong direction. Well, just to let you guys know, in the month of March we had 21, which is an excellent number. It's about a third of what we had for the previous month. So if we keep that going, guys, our numbers will come in the right direction. We're going to get away from bumping that score as far as mandatory inspection. So I want to applaud you guys. You're doing a great pre-trip. You're doing great post-trip. You're sending in MAC 18s, reporting problems with trailers that you might have that you parked somewhere to pick up a loaded trailer. Gives my guys an outside repair an opportunity to send somebody out and fix the lights or fix the tires, things like that. So I just want to say thanks. We're doing the right thing. We're seeing improvement in our CSA scores. We'll keep this going for the next couple of months. We'll get that number coming down the right direction. So I just want to say thanks. Keep doing what you're doing. Let us know if you have a problem with trailers or trucks as far as things that need to be repaired. Let's get these things repaired on our time rather than the DOT saying you're out of service until you get these tires fixed, until you fix this air leak. So I want to say thanks. Keep up the good work. Drive safe and be safe out there. Thank you very much.